How to pass your driving test first time and overcome test nerves. Take driving lessons before applying for the driving test to relax and calm the nerves. Make sure that you carry required documents and the car is in good condition. If you don't understand any instruction, don't panic, ask the instructor to repeat it. Carefully select your test center and know your routes for best results. Arrive at the test center 15 minutes beforehand so you don't miss anything important. Try to drive the roads around your test center before the test to get friendly with the routes. Revise the driving theory and read through the most important topics and road signs. Thank you for watching. For more, visit our site www.carlearner.com.